Hi guys, Linda is immediately here. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be responding to a question that was dropped by John Rexl. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name well, but this question was dropped by John in my Filipino hair versus Vietnamese baby fin hair. John says, I have a question. How did they harvest those hairs? Did they harvest it as humanly as possible? Is there a farm where they harvest these hairs up to standard? Hair industry is one of the industries in the world that is highly unregulated. By the hair industry being unregulated, it means that people source hair extensions via any means possible. With the amount of demands that there is for real hair extensions and even lower quality hair extensions, it has sort of become almost impossible to guarantee that the hair extensions are being sourced humanely by most of these hair companies, because the countries that have the highest demand for their hair extensions are China and Vietnam. And in recent years, we know that China tends to import hair extensions from other countries, and in some cases, these hair extensions are picked from very unsanitary. They are picked from the most dirty places, like the floors. I saw a video a while back on how people cut their hair in India and to sacrifice their hair to their gods in the temples. And you say that this hair is shaved off from someone's head and it's just dropped on the floor. So later on, people come and gather up these hairs together in a bag, and the hair is collected and sold to a hair factory or a hair supplier, or it is sold to someone. Then the person gathers the hair together and makes it into a weft and sells to people, or exports the bulk hair to other countries for people who are interested in buying the bulk hair. So in most cases, when you buy hair from India and the hair is not cut directly from the donor's hair the hair is not tied in a bun and cut, the hair is just cut on the floor, then in that case, the hair wasn't collected in a hygienic manner. But in Vietnam, most times people go to most of the companies, some of the companies that sell hair extensions, they go to the rural areas. They go to young girls, old women who have long natural hair, and they pay them a certain amount of money to have them cut their hair, and the girls agree to the amount of the money which they are being paid, and they decide to cut their hair. And in most cases, the amount of money these girls might sell their hair for might not be a reasonable sum, because sadly a lot of people are being exploited for their hair, and they might not always get a fair price for their hairs that they donate to the companies that sell hair extensions. And I've heard of cases in countries like China where you find that some certain people are being put in various certain camps because of certain beliefs that they have, and while they're in those camps doing reorientation on these people, their hair might be cut, sold to factories that sell hair extensions. So honestly, there are very few hair companies that source their hair extensions ethically and even pay the hair donors a fair price for their hair extensions. Luckily, the vendor that I work with for my hair extension, I've seen how they source their hair extensions, their Cambodian hair extensions, their Burmese hair extension. I've seen their donors. I've seen how they cut the hairs from their donors. But the truth is, even if I've seen them do that, am I sure that there are no times when they don't get hair extension from other sources that are not sure about how the hair is gotten? So we don't always know how this hair is sourced, because whether you like it or not, so long as you're not going to Vietnam or China or India or the Philippines to cut the hair from the donors and then have it processed by yourself, you can't really guarantee or say that yes, you know that this hair was ethically sourced. You just paid a high price for it. You're just not sure of how it was sourced. That's the realities of the hair extension industry. That's the realities of it. So I hope I was able to answer your question in this video. It all depends on the hair company and the standards that they have in terms of how they want to source their hair extensions, and ensuring that people who donate these hair extensions are well compensated for the hairs which they decide to let go of. I hope this answered your question, Mr. John. If you got value out of this video, guys, please make sure you smash the like button, share this video with your friends who are also going to get value out of it, and please, sis, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember, be bold and have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.